Welcome to Lumaprint Tutorial 6. We will cover Lumaprint's templates for mockups. As store owners, the appearance of your products are a vital factor when it comes to your customer deciding whether or not to purchase your product. That's why we're offering a couple of ways for you to create your mockups and even offer tips as to further customize them. As a quick note, in the last two tutorials, we covered image preparation for printing. So your art print can be as accurate as the original as it can be. Feel free to go to those videos after watching this one. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the presentation of your print and how to use our templates. Mockups for your online store. What are mockups? A mockup is when you superimpose the image into the product type, and usually within a physical setting like above a couch, in a bedroom, and more. Placing the print into a product not only gives a customer a visual of what they will receive, but with the physical setting, they can better imagine it in their homes. Power of presentation. I want to emphasize the benefits of mockups. When it comes to product presentation of a print, sometimes artists only show the print itself without the product type or mockup. And while this is an important product image, mockups are just as important for you and your store and customer. Building social proof is another reason to have mockups, and placing your image in the well-themed and compatible setting gives the impression to your customers that you're not just a vendor, you're a brand, an artist that is with a clear visual identity. When you have one or a few settings that feel seamless with your art and your website, not only does it boost the visual appeal of your art, but also of your website. With Lumaprints, we have set mockups with broad appeal, so if you're starting out or just want a simple and clean background for your art, then we provided backgrounds that will work perfectly, and if you want to add more customization to your mockups, we'll explain how you can do that as well. Options Lumaprints offers to create mockups. Lumaprints offers two options for you when creating mockups of your print in our product. The first one is providing Photoshop files, where you can add images into the setting. This is a great option for those with Photoshop or similar programs. It is especially useful if you're proficient in Photoshop, as you can automate parts of the process if you have set sizes for your image. The second option is more beginner friendly and is useful for those without editing software, as it utilizes Canva, an online image editing platform that's pretty straightforward. We will cover both, as well as provide tips on how you can further customize these mockups so you can make these mockups your own. Using editing software to create mockups. Starting with Photoshop files, you'll need a program that could open up PSD files, which are Photoshop documents. Other programs can open and edit PSD files, but make sure they're able to open up the document properly, as we need to ensure layers are visible since we'll be utilizing those to make the mockup. A recommended program aside from Photoshop is Photopea, which is free and available via web browser. Now that you have your program and can open up our PSD file, you can go to our product page on lumaprints.com, and depending on the product, download the file at the bottom of the page under the Assets category. You're also welcome to locate these assets directly under the Resource tab and go into Marketing Assets. Locate and download the mockup template for your chosen product type. These templates are available for stretched and framed canvas, framed, unframed, and foam-mounted fine art paper, and metal. Inside the template, you'll find instructions on how to use it, which is nice to have as reference the next time you create a mockup. Like other layers, you can toggle the instructions page on and off to continue. Next step, select the product size. Choose the image size that you will feel like is best for your artwork and what you're selling. Popular sizes and ratios are provided, including squares, rectangles, panoramics, large and small options. Select the frame if applicable. You can further customize your mockup by toggling features like frames or on and off based on your preference. There are many frames to choose from. This allows you to showcase your artwork exactly as you envision it. To add your image to the template, locate the smart object within the chosen canvas size layer. Double-click the smart object to open up a new page where you can add in your artwork. Copy, paste, drag or drop, or use your preferred method to insert the artwork into the canvas. Position your artwork as desired, ensuring that it fills within the canvas boundaries. From there, you can save your mockup by pressing Ctrl Save or going to File and Save to ensure that the image is superimposed onto the canvas. Now you can exit the Smart Object window and your artwork will be visible on the mockup. From here, you can now export your mockup as JPEG or PNG depending on your needs. Keep in mind that PNG is recommended for web as it preserves image quality. Give your mockup a title, such as the name of your artwork, for clear reference. And there you have it. You have successfully created a mockup of your artwork using Lumaprint's templates. This process should only take a few minutes once you become familiar with it. As for the customization of your mockup, feel free to customize backgrounds or explore options to match your artistic vision. Click on the background folder and toggle on and off and choose the standard pre-added background. You can also search online for mockups and add them to the background folder as long as they match the neutral lighting of the product. If you're more interested in the Canva version, we can go ahead and discuss the directions and how to utilize it. Using Canva to create mockups. To use Canva, all you need is a Canva account and the rest is easy. Check out our Marketing Assets page in the Resource tab for Canva templates. Select the size and the product you want for the mockup and open it. Go to the left side menu and select Uploads. Add in your image to your Canva upload bank. Once uploaded, drag and drop your image to the frame, which is the asset that fills with your image when you drag it over to it. Crop and position your image within the frame. Once satisfied with the appearance, go ahead and save it by going to the Share button on the top right and select Download as JPEG or PNG. Give your mockup a title, such as the name of your artwork. And that's it! Utilizing Canva is a bit easier to work with and faster as well. If you would like different backgrounds, you can customize it by looking at the backgrounds Canva provides in the Elements tab on the left side menu. Alternatively, you can use your own background photos you got via stock photos, for example. Just keep in mind of scale when you are uploading these backgrounds. Try to utilize scales that are similar to the current backdrops available for that size. If you change the scale of it, it may make the image appear bigger than it is. With these two methods, you can not only create a nice clean mockup of your print, but also customize a mockup for your brand's image by changing the background's appearance. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know down below in the comments. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and look forward to future videos.